Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a Dollar Tree shop with me for you guys. I found some really cool craft supplies. A couple of these things were in my haul a couple weeks ago. Yes, this was supposed to go up a couple weeks ago, and I totally forgot, you guys. But here it is. These things are still relevant. They're still new. So enjoy watching. All right, so the first thing I found were these new laser cutout wood pieces. You've seen one of these in my haul, but the rest of these you have not seen. These are so freaking cool. And if you were to find these at Walmart or something, they would be $3 or $4. Like the minimum, $3 or $4. They also had these little chalkboard adhesives, and they had some new rub-on transfers as well. I really like this one with the leaves and greenery. Put that in my basket. But yeah, they had these chalkboard adhesive stickers, and they had these little round ones right here. So I went and got those. I actually think I ended up switching those out when I found the other ones here in just a second. But they also had some new cross stitch kits. So they had these new Craft Square tempera watercolors, and you get 5 of they're their primary colors, so you can definitely mix up some different colors with them. And they had these new 2-packs with the letters and the numbers for the little stencils. And over here, you saw these, well, you saw the red one in my haul, but they also had these in blue. I really like these. I don't know. I actually ended up taking that haul down because when I went back and watched it, this editor that I have, that I pay for, by the way, it does not edit right. Like, I can take parts out and I can try to take parts out and it won't cut it off where I want it to, or it'll cut it off more than I want it to. So I ended up having to delete that haul, unfortunately. But yeah, if you saw that, you saw those. And here are those cardstocks that I showed. One of these in my haul, they had black, they had packed with purple, green, and pink. And then here was the one I showed in the haul. This was my all-time favorite. This is a textured paper, and it's got that ivory or that opal type look to it. And I'm obsessed with this clay. I have like 5 packs of this. I'm addicted to it, so yeah, I had to show that. Even though y'all have more than likely saw them, I included it because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with clay. I can't help it. Okay, so here are some of those Crafter Square scissors. I did show you one type in my haul, but they had 3 different types. They also had these Craft Square wood chisels, and you did see those as well. Like I said, some of these things were just too cool to not include in the shop with me too. So sorry if you've already seen these. And they also had more of these laser cut wood pieces. I don't know why I jumped around like that. Okay, let's just be real. It's because of ADD. I seen something that caught my attention on the other side, and I had to run over there, and then now I'm back. But yeah, here are those the other chalkboard stickers. I had to slow that down and duplicate that because I don't know. Jason started talking, and I got distracted, you guys. So that's why that's like that. So here is their new little end cap with sewing thread sets, and that's a lot of different colors of thread. They also had these bigger threads for doing crochet. They had these little packs of different cut pieces of paper, like cardstock paper. You know how Walmart does that. Now Dollar Tree does it. I think Walmart's paper is a little bit like more new age. I don't know how to describe it. These papers were not that nice. Like, I don't know how to explain it. They just weren't doing it for me, I guess. But yeah, they had these little paper packs. Over here, they have some oil pastels, premium bright color assortment. Now, I thought that was super, super cool. Dollar Tree has really upped their game. Let's just say that. So right here, they have these little organizers, I guess you would call it, with the different backgrounds. And I really wish I would have picked these up because there's so much you could have done with these. I would have loved to have painted this and used this to hold some things, but I did not get that. So. Here are these little robots and spaceships. I think these would be so cute displayed on a floating shelf in a little boy's room. How darling would that be? I think it would be so, so cute. Right here, they have these little ceramic elephants. They had them in matte and they had them in glossy. Here is these little decorative balls. These are really heavy, you guys, and these would be good for a bookend. I kind of wish I would have gotten some of these too, but so here's a sneak peek of a craft supply haul that I have for you guys coming up in hopefully sometime by the end of the week or next week. I've been trying to get into furniture flipping, and between having to go to stores and buy supplies and do research and get the garage clean and organized, it has put me quite a bit behind schedule. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell, share with your friends and family or on all your social medias. And thanks for watching.